Clearing your search history on SoundCloud can help maintain your privacy and declutter your account. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open SoundCloud. Launch the SoundCloud app on your mobile device or visit the SoundCloud website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. On the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. On the website, click on your profile picture and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. This is where you can manage your account's privacy settings, including search history. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the Privacy settings, find the option labeled Clear Search History. Click or tap on this option to remove all previous search entries from your account. Step 5. Confirm the action. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice, and your search history will be deleted. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on SoundCloud. Regularly clearing your history can help keep your account organized and enhance your listening experience.